Hi guys, today on What's Cooking Wahida we are continuing with a week of Thanksgiving recipes, and today's recipe is a sweet potato casserole. This is a really quick and easy Thanksgiving dish that looks great on the table and kids loves it. Let's get it started. For this dish we need sweet potatoes. I'm using 3. Half a cup brown sugar, quarter cup milk, half a stick of butter, half a teaspoon ground nutmeg, half a teaspoon salt, and marshmallows. Peel and chop your sweet potatoes into large pieces. Add them to a steam pot. Don't boil them straight in water because they lose all of their flavor. You can also roast them in an oven. Once they are soft, transfer them to a bowl. Using a potato masher, mash them into a paste-like texture. Add in the dry ingredients and butter, and continuing mashing. Add the milk. I end up using only half, and mix all of the ingredients. Now transfer to an oven-safe dish and set your oven to 375. Make sure the sweet potatoes is spread in an even layer. Then cover the top with the marshmallows. Place it in the oven until the marshmallows are golden brown and melt. Remove from the oven and straight to the table so the marshmallows stay melted, and enjoy. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys like this recipe. If you did, hit the thumbs up. If you have any question or comments, have them below. If you want more recipe like this, hit the subscriber button. I post weekly recipe videos. So come back tomorrow to see the next Thanksgiving recipe.